So guys, this is me trying to do one of the hardest challenges you can do, 0 to 1 million in funding. Documenting it live on YouTube, showing all the wins, all the losses, all the breakthroughs day by day. Not many people are going to put their credibility or their reputation on the line because they're not open to show losses. They're only showing winners, or they've pre-recorded an outcome that benefits them. For me, this is completely live, day upon day, week upon week. Hope you guys get value from this series. No one else is doing it. I don't see anybody else putting content, real, raw, open, transparent, authentic content out there on YouTube like I am. So I appreciate a like, appreciate a comment, and let's get into the video. Guys, welcome back to day 2 of the series, this new fantastic series we're doing, Road to 7-Figure Funding. Yeah, day 2, it's Sunday today. Going to be pretty much preparing for the week. I'm going to be showing you the potential account I'm going to get with FTMO. I'm not 100% sure which one to get yet, whether to do another 25k one, whether to do a 50k one or a 100k one. So let me know in the comments. I'll break that down in a minute. But yeah, plan today is to go over the ASR for this week, look at any trades I potentially missed. Also go over some of the content that's been in the community that I've joined. So he's just uploaded a market insights video, so probably preparing for the week ahead. So I'm going to go through my watch list in a minute because it's Sunday. I'm going to break down everything I'm looking for the week. Then I'm going to compare what I've got to his watch list. And then anything that we have similar is obviously a positive because he's a fantastic trader. Anything that I don't have, I can look at why I don't have that and learn from that. So that's pretty much the plan. So as you can see on the dashboard of the community that I'm in, weekly market insights, 27th of October, which is today. So I'm going to click and watch that. Go over some of the content, also do my watch list at the same time, as I mentioned, compare what I've got, and yeah, just keep on trying to improve, see if I've got the same things on watch, see if we can improve, and that's all we can do. And we're on the road to get this funding.
Traders, what's going on? Welcome back to just how the overall market is looking. Which ones are the best ones for your particular entry criteria? Whether we're looking at swings, reversals, RT1s, 2s, the process is the exact same. Take care. Talk to you all soon. Bye, everyone.
So just finished that insights video. Fantastic value. I mean, it's incredible. I'm so happy to be part of this community. The main takeaways I got from this market insights video, and especially heading into this week, is avoiding lower probability setups. There could be setups that are technically part of your plan, technically part of your strategy, but there's going to be some that are going to be worse than others. There's going to be setups that, again, technically tick off, mechanically tick. It's technically part of the strategy, but they might have a lot of red flags and a lot of negative confluences, which you need to avoid. But yeah, main takeaways, focusing on higher probability clean setups, mainly focused on the US dollar pairs and yen pairs this week. A lot of overextended moves, so in need of a pullback, but just waiting for higher probability setups, avoiding lower probability trades, and sometimes less is more. Also guys, as a lot of you might know, I'm trading a 25k funded account. Well, it's a challenge account with FTMO at the minute. I'll be documenting that on the channel before this series. Still going to be showing that account. I'm in a bit of drawdown on that account, as a lot of you will know. But I'm also looking to get now probably 100k or a £70,000 one with FTMO, probably $100,000. I think that works out to be better. But I'm torn, which is why I need your guys' help. I don't know which one to get. I don't know whether to get a smaller account just to pass 25k. Don't spend too much money, but just pass, get 25k under your belt, and then go from there. Or do I go for a bigger one initially, like 100k, put the money into that, and then hopefully I haven't lost a challenge yet. So obviously we're getting quite close on this 25k one. But do I just buy 100k, and if I pass it, then I'll get the refund? But obviously I go quite conservative on that account and try and gradually get that slowly. Obviously these are the options with FTMO, 140k, 70k, 35 or 20,000 pounds. But I'll probably go to US dollars. So I think it works out to either be 100,000 US dollars or 25,000 US dollars. So yeah, I'm a bit torn on which one to get at the minute. That's why, yeah, let me know in the comments what you think I should do. Whether I should, like I said, go a bit more conservative on a larger amount, which might take me a bit longer to get, or do I go and spend a little bit less money on the 10k or 25k, maybe go a bit more risky, try and get that a bit quicker, and then once I've got that under my belt, use that refund to go pay for a 100k account. I'm torn. Let me know. So just about to do my watch list, weekly watch list. Again, like I said, it's Sunday today, so I'm preparing for the week ahead. Preparation starts at the weekend, in my opinion. You need to prepare for the week ahead. before the week occurs. I see so many people wake up on Monday and then do their analysis before the 10 minutes before the market opens. I'm preparing for the week ahead, making sure have good analysis on all the pairs, knowing exactly what I'm looking for. I have a plan set, so I'm ready, and if it presents, I'm ready to execute. And it eliminates emotion. So yeah, I'm going to do my watch list now. So watch list done. So many overextended runs this week in need of a pullback. If these can give us good DDPs, daily directional predictions, in the next couple of days, maybe Monday or Tuesday, probably Tuesday or Wednesday, like this US dollar CAD, beautiful. If we can get some kind of bearish momentum coming at these highs daily, this is the daily time frame close, then what we'll need is a shift in these lower time frames. We could be looking good for a quick pullback move. So for tomorrow, it isn't looking like a perfect day in terms of entries, but that's where the development will occur. And then for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, there could be some great opportunities. So yeah, definitely got to be ready, stay prepared, got to be in a good headspace, keep all the habits and processes in check, do what you need to do. And yeah, hopefully we can execute these positions and the outcome will take care of itself. One thing I want to talk about, guys, which is so important, I don't feel like many people actually talk about when learning to trade or looking at trading or trying to be successful in trading, is how important your circle of influence is, how important your mindset is in terms of how you feel psychologically. If you have any mental struggles or you're dealing with anything at that current moment in time, it's so important that though you can't neglect that. Because I first thought when I first started trading, once I have a strategy and the knowledge, it doesn't really matter how you feel in the sense, because you know the knowledge, you're just going to keep performing. But to be consistent and to keep producing consistent returns is an ever evolving thing. You're only as good as your last trade. You're only as good as your last month, like any performance-based business. So just because you have the knowledge, I've had the knowledge for a while, but sometimes I've been my own worst enemy with the habits that you have outside of trading. Like if you meet up with friends, end up going out having drinks, you're hungover the next day, or you're eating bad food because you've gone out and you're more susceptible to pick up fast food. All those things, and then because you don't sleep properly, you miss the gym, which sets you apart, and that negative momentum starts falling. And it's so important, I want to mention it in this video, that you have to keep yourself in check. And recently, I'm going to be honest, I've been slacking on some of the positive habits that I used to do. I mean, I've been hitting the gym regularly for 2 years, but this last week and a half, I haven't been hitting the gym as much. I haven't been eating as clean, haven't been as focused on the positive things, which has meant the negative habits have slipped in a bit. I've been more susceptible if I've met up with friends. I'll have a couple of drinks there, or I'll have that food there, pop into McDonald's and get it. And occasionally it's not bad. But what I'm trying to say is sometimes, and the type of person I am, I'm sure a lot of you guys are similar, is these negative habits can spiral. And where I get the positive momentum and great change happens, like you get into fantastic shape, or you make progression on your YouTube or your trading accounts and everything like that, I've noticed a massive impact. And when I start doing negative habits, like going out having drinks, not sleeping properly, having fast food or bad food, then it ends up slipping, and things end up slipping, and the momentum's so much harder to get. And once you've got the momentum, you need to stick with it. So that's something I've been focused on at the minute. I mean, the last 3, 4, 5 days, I've been focused on getting that positive momentum back. And now I feel fantastic in the sense of I'm hitting the gym, making these videos, preparing for the week ahead, getting great sleep, going to bed, getting clear 8 hours sleep. It's mad how sleep affects your mood and your decisions. So with trading, it's not just about the strategy or just about the knowledge or just about anything. You have to become the edge alongside your strategy. So if you're not performing optimally, or you're not in a clear headspace, you might have a profitable system, or you have the knowledge of a profitable system, but if you can't execute that because of yourself, you're your own worst enemy, you're going to struggle. So that's something I was focused on, thinking about and focusing on recently, and I hope you guys, if you understand and get value from that. I mean, I know what it's like to be in that negative habit spiral where it's so hard to get up and do the things you once found easy to do, but you need to try and stop that slowly and pick up, and like going back to the gym, go for 25 minutes. Don't go for an hour, go for 25 minutes. Build that habit, get used to going back, and then you'll be back. And that's what happened with me. So in terms of the rest of the afternoon, I've pretty much done most of the things I need to do. I've watched that Market Insights video. I've done my watch list. All I've got to do is hit the gym, which I'm going to hit the gym in a minute. But other than that, I'm pretty much done. So yeah, hopefully we have a positive week. Stay tuned, guys. These videos are going to come regular because I want to document everything, how I feel, the thoughts, the ups, the downs, everything. So I'm going to document regularly next week, all the trades, all the things I'm looking at. So yeah, stay tuned. If you like these types of videos and you want to support the channel, all I ask is like, comment, and subscribe. By subscribing, liking, and commenting, you're going to help push this video out to more people. And we want to show a real, honest, transparent, authentic journey of what it's like to try and get funding and to go from zero to a lot, documented all live on YouTube, which no one else is doing. So I appreciate the support in the videos, guys. Appreciate the support always. Check out my Instagram if you want to follow me on there, see more day-to-day stuff. And also stay tuned, like I said, next week for the videos coming. And yeah, I appreciate the support on the videos, guys. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.